Good morning, students. We have done up to, in the last class, we have done up to question number 8, right? So today we have to solve question number 9, 10 and 11. Hope you are practicing is everything but a better way. You know that without practicing, you cannot know anything, right? No? So friends, let's start with question number 9. We have done up to question number 8. Okay. So today's topic is 9, 10, 11. If possible, 12 also. So let's see. So friends, now the question says to you, ninth one. So just we can read the question and then we can come to the topic, right? Let's see. Yes. A, B, C, three partners are there and their profit and loss ratio is how much? 4 is to 3 is to 3. They admitted D as a new partner for 120 share of the profit, out of which he takes 140 from A and remaining share from B and C equally. So that is also a different part as to us. So let's see how to do this particular sum. So write down particulars A, B, C, D, and finally comes total. Old ratio 4, 3, 3, total 10. New ratio is left to calculate. They admitted D as a new partner. So who is the new one? D. D's share, how much? 1 by 20. Which he takes 1/40th from A, which he takes 1/40th from A. So I can say A sacrifices how much? 1 by 40. And the remaining share from B and C equal, remaining share. So we have to find the, first of all, remaining share, that is 1 by 20, that is the D share, right? No, D share minus A sacrifice. So how much A is giving? 1 by 40. So if we do that LCM perfectly, we get this 40. Here comes 2, here comes 1. So 2 minus 1, it comes 1 by 40. The remaining share is also 1 by 40. Now what they want to say, and the remaining share is from B and C equally. Remaining share from B and C equally. So how to do this one? Equally they are saying. So I can say B's sacrifice is equal to 1 by 40 is remaining, and from that D is ready to give how much? 1 by 2. So 1 by 80, right? The same way C sacrifices, that is also 1 by 40 into 1 by 2. It comes 1 by 80. Clear? So now let's see the new ratio, how to calculate the new ratio. So new formula is new ratio is equal to, what is the formula? What is the formula? Old ratio minus sacrifice ratio. Take the first name. A's new ratio. Old. What is the A's old? 4 by 10. And how much is going to sacrifice? 1 by 40. So it comes 4, it comes 1. 16 minus 1 by 40. It comes 15 by 40. Right? So let's see now the B. B's new ratio. So B 3 by 10 minus 1 by 80. Right. So here the LCM is changes now. Let's take LCM 80. Let be. So 10 eights are 81s are. So 8 threes are 24 minus 1 upon 80. It comes to 23 by 80. Then comes C. C is new ratio. 3 by 10 minus again 1 by 80. I think it will come same only, no change. I'm writing the same. 23 by 80. Then comes the D. Just writing here. D share is equal to, sorry, D is the new one only. So here we get, so we can directly do D. D is getting how much? 1 by 20. Into, we have to just make the LCM right. So 24 here also 4. 4 by 80. And here also we have to do it's 2. We are getting, no, it's 15 by 40. All are in 20. So into 2 by 2, it's 30 by 80. So our new ratio comes to 30, 23, again 23, and again 4. Total comes 80. So clear to you, friends? So I think I have to explain one more time, then only it will be clear, right? So it's a totally a different question. Again, I am solving the same question. So be very careful. Let's see. Particulars A, B, C, D, and total. Old ratio 4, 3, 3, total 10. New ratio we have to just calculate. Who is the new one? D. D share. How much it is? 1 by 20. Out of which he takes 140 from A. That is A sacrifice. How much the A is sacrificing? 1 by 40. And the remaining share he will get from B and C in equal proportion. Equal proportion. So let's see. So how much is the remaining that we have to do? So remaining share is equal to 1 by 20 minus 1 by 40. 2 minus 1 by 40. So remaining share comes to 1 by 40. Now who will give this? B and C. B sacrifice, C sacrifice. So B is getting 1 by 40, C is also give 1 by 40, and from that they are ready to give half of it. Clear no now? Half. It's 1 by 80. Here also 1 by 80. So that is little bit clear now. So now we are going to find the new ratio. What is the formula for new ratio? New ratio formula comes to us old ratio minus sacrifice ratio. So take the first name, A's new ratio. So what is the A old? 4 by 10 minus A sacrifice, that is 1 by 40. Let's see B also. B's new ratio. B old 3 by 10. If we do one at a time, no, it becomes very easy. Otherwise, cross multiply, it becomes little bit confusing. Do everything and then we can do multiply at a time. So 3 by 10 minus 1 by 80. C's new ratio. That is also same. 3 by 10 minus 1 by 80. And the D's new ratio. D is getting 1 by 20. No sacrifice, nothing. Just we have to multiply. So let's see now. Last time, you know, remembering that I have just done the 40 and then I have taken into 80. We know that here LCM is 80. So let be 10 8s are 42s are 10 8s are 81s are 10 8s are 81s are, and here also 4 by 4. So here comes 4 by 80. Here comes 8 3s are 24 minus 1 by 80. Here also 24 minus 1 by 80. Here 8 4s are 32 minus 2 by 80. 30 by 80. So final answer of our new ratio is equal to 30 is to 23 is to 23 is to 4. 30 is to 23 is to 23 is to 4. Total comes 80. So, what is the sacrifice ratio now? The sacrifice ratio is 1 by 40, 1 by 80 and 1 by 8. If we want to convert this, we have to multiply by 2. You are getting no? Multiply by 2. So, it comes 2 by 80. So, our sacrifice ratio also will come 2 is to 1 is to 1. Sacrifice ratio also will come 2 is to 1 is to 1. Clear? So 9 sum, friends, we have done 2 times, right? So I think it's very, very clear to you. Practice it very hard. Okay, practice it. Otherwise, it becomes very confusing. 10th question, friends, we are taking. 10th question. A and B are the partners sharing profit and loss in the ratio 3 is to 1. So I'm preparing the columns. Particulars. A, B, and finally the total. Old ratio 3 1. Yes, C also. They admitted C as a new partner. They admitted C as a new partner, but nothing is there. That is a question mark. A sacrificed 1/3 of his share. Now just see. A sacrifices 1/3 of his share. That is 3 by 4. That is 1 by 4. 3 3 get cancel. Clear? Next is B sacrifice is equal to 1/4 of his share, that is 1 by 4 into 1 by 4. It comes 1 by 16. So here also we just multiply with 4 by 4. It also comes 4 by 16, and here also 1 by 16. So both the ratio we have get. Now how to find the C? 4 by 16 plus 1 by 16. So it comes 5 by 16. So C share comes to us how much? 5 by 16. Right? So let's see now. New ratio. New ratio. Old ratio minus sacrifice ratio. The first name is A. A is old. 3 by 4 minus A sacrifice 4 by 16. So what is the LCM? Obviously, we'll go to, better you take B also. B's new ratio 1 by 4 minus 1 by 16, not 4, sorry, 1 by 16. C's new ratio, 5 by 16 into, let's see, 4 4s are 16 1s are, 4 4s are 16 1s are, 4 3s are 12 minus 4 upon 16. It comes to us 8 by 16. 8 by 16. B's new ratio, the same way, 4 minus 1 by 16, 3 by 16. And 16 is there, so we have to multiply by with 1 only, it becomes same, 5 by 16. So the new ratio comes to us 8 is to 3 is to 5. 8 is to 3 is to 5. So 8 plus 3, 11, 11 plus 5, 16. So clear the 10th question. All the short sums are very, very confusing. If you don't practice it properly, it will not get into our mind. So it's humble request, please practice it properly. Clear? Again, A, B and C are the partners sharing profit and loss 3 is to 1. They admitted C as a new partner. C share is not given. That is the question mark. A sacrificed 1/4 of his share while 1/3 of his share, and B sacrificed 1/4 of his share. So A sacrifice comes to us 1/3 of. I have already said this word is so important. When this of comes, we have to just multiply of his share. So 1 by 3rd into 3 by 4. So 1 by 3 into 1 by 4, it comes to 3, 3 cancel, 1 by 4 I have done. And I want the 16, that's why I multiplied with 4. That is 4 by 4. It comes 4 by 16. In the same way, B sacrifice, that is 1 by 4 into 1 by 4. It comes 1 by 16. So the final comes new ratio. What is the formula? Old ratio minus sacrifice ratio. So A's new share comes to us 3 by 4 minus sacrifice ratio comes to us 4 by 16. So cross multiply, or we can do LCM. 3 into 4, 12 minus 4 upon 16, that is 8 by 16. B's new ratio, that is also same, 4 minus 1 upon 16, 3 by 16. C's new ratio, 5 by 16 into 1 by 1, 5 by 16. So the new ratio comes to us 8 is to 3 is to 5. While our sacrifice ratio comes to us 4 by 16, that is 4 is to 1. 4 is to 1. Right? So that completes the 10th question. So now let's see the 11th one. A, B are the partners sharing profit and loss in the ratio 5 is to 3. They are saying 5 is to 3. They admitted C as a new partner. A sacrificed 30% of his share and B sacrificed 20% of his share in favor of C. Just now we have done this sum, but not in percentage, but in the fraction we have done. So today we are going to learn how to do in percentage. So let's see. Particulars A, B and C, and final comes total. Old ratio 5, 3, total comes 8. New ratio we have to just calculate. They admitted C as a new partner. C share, we don't know. A sacrificed 30% of his share. So A sacrifice is equal to 30%. 3 by 10 into 5 by 8. Is it okay? 30% his share, the word of will come. So 30% his share, and B sacrificed 20% of his share in favor of C. The word his has not come, so we have to multiply or not. Let's see the sum, then we can decide. 3 5s are 15, 80. We can know whether we are doing right or not. That also I will say to you. B sacrifice 20%, that is 2 by 10 into 3 by 8. 3 2s are 6 by 80. So 15 plus 6, now the C share comes 15 plus 6 by 80. It comes to us 21 by 80. Now we are going to find the new ratio. What is the formula for new ratio? Old minus sacrifice. So let's see the first one. A is new ratio, B is new ratio, C is new ratio. So what is the A's new ratio? Old. What is the old? 5 by 8 minus 15 by 80. 3 by 8, 6 by 80. While C is 21 by 80. So let's see how to do. So obviously the LCM will take 80 only. Here comes 10, here comes 1. 5 tens are 50 minus 15. Here also 10, here also 1. 3 tens are 30 minus 6. Here the same, 21. So 50 minus 15, how much it comes? 35. 24. 21. And I want to say that whether it is right or wrong, we have to just make the addition. Make the addition of 35 plus 24. Take the calci. 35 plus 24 plus 21, you get the 80. When you get the total of the denominator same, in that circumstances we can say that we are in the right way. That is 35 is to 24 is to 21. Then we have to find the sacrifice ratio. What is the sacrifice ratio? 15 is to 6. Divided 3 5s are 3 2s are. So final is 5 is to 2. Right? So 11th question says to you this one. A and B are the partners sharing profit and loss in the ratio 5 is to 3. They admitted C as a new partner. They admitted C as a new partner and A sacrificed 30% of his share. So 30% according to that 3 by 10 into 5 by 8 of his share. So 3 5s are 15, 10 8s are 80, 15 by 80. B sacrifice 20%, that is 2 by 10 into 3 by 8, 6 by 80. So new ratio comes to us old ratio minus sacrifice. That is 5 by 8, that is the old minus sacrifice, 15 by 80. So 5 tens are 50 minus 15, 35 by 80. While B's new ratio comes to 3 by 8 minus 6 by 80. 30 minus 6 by 80. And C comes 21 by 80. So new ratio comes to us 35 is to 24 is to 21. Right? Yes. So we have done up to 11th question. So let's revise the 12th question also. X and Y are the partners sharing profit and loss in the ratio 2 is to 1. They admitted Z as a new partner. X sacrificed 115 from his share. Again, word from. So you have to keep 115 as it is. This word is very important, from. You have to keep as it is. And 1/15 of his share, that we have to multiply. Right? Then you get this answer. We are not solving today. In the next period, we will solve. But you have to practice and keep. 12th one. 13th one. X, Y, Z are the partners. Ratio 2 is to 3 is to 1. They admitted W as a new partner with one fixed share. Z will retain his original share in future also. That means it's very clear that X and Y is going to sacrifice and Z is not going to sacrifice. We have done such type of sum. If you revise this, remaining share, that let the profit of the firm be 1, remaining share and all. If you do this, you will get it. 14th question. X, Y, Z are the partners sharing profit and loss in the ratio 5:4. They admitted Z as a new partner and all the partners have distributed future profit in equal proportion. Calculate only sacrifice ratio. This is very, very easy question for you. You have to calculate just sacrifice ratio. That is old minus new. Old is also given, new is also given. X, Y, and Z are the partners sharing profit and loss in the ratio 3:2:1. They admitted W as a new partner and the new ratio is 4:3:2:3. Again, only sacrifice. Just you have to deduct it and we get the answer. So friends, after this, the first part, that is of ratio sums, we have completing, and then we start with the another concept related to goodwill and all. So please practice this from 12th question, and today we have solved 3 more. We have solved from 9th, most important question, 10th is also hard one, and 11th is also a new one for us. So practice it very hard, then only you will get into know. So 11th, which are the questions? 9, 10, 11 and 12, 13, 12, 13, 14 and 15. Just you have to practice it. So in the next period, we will continue with the topic. Thank you friends. Take care.